got the honey badger, the large honey bastard, honey bastard, the honey, yeah, right over there. Hey, my wife's laughing at that. Yeah, honey badger. Alright, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I got a knife unboxing, an Eafengrow EF927. I got it a couple weeks ago, a week or so ago, and I've carried it a few times. Pretty nice. Here it is. Here's the box it comes in. Blah blah blah. Let's see, Eafengrow EF927. I never can tell if you can see it. So if you can or can't, I'm not sure, but it's the EF927. The box, the plastic, and here it is. Here's this. It's a standard Eafengrow box. So I had this on my my shopping list for a while, and I finally got it. It was on sale, I believe, for $19. Usually it's $30, $29, so I got it then. But I really didn't get it for the longest time because I didn't like the picture on Amazon had. It's like they tilted the blade away, so it made the blade look real short, kind of like that. But in actuality, you lay it, I don't know what it is, but when you lay it down, the blade is slightly shorter than the handle, but not really. I mean, the blade's roughly to the pivot roughly 4 inches, but that's not the cutting edge. But if you measure the handle is roughly probably like 4.5 inches. So the handle is a little larger than the actual blade, but I swear it looks like they made in the picture, they made the handle just look like really short. So it's a liner lock, black D2 steel, G10. It's got a stonewashed black finish on it. That's probably be good for scrapes, I don't know, cutting and stuff. Deep, not quite deep carry. Be close to deep carry. Let's see. It will pretty much drop shut. Has blue anodized, I believe they're anodized hardware. I got this one. There's three, I think 2 other colors, black and one maybe the jade. I got this one because this was the $19 one. The other 2 I think are actual price. There's the lockup. It is let's see, I can't see it, take my glasses off. It's on the early side, but it's more than half engaged in the blade. It's pretty good. I don't think it'll go anywhere. It has a little bit of a cutout so you can get your finger in there. It's good enough. Not as big as other ones, but it really snaps. You got thumb studs both sides. I can almost, sometimes I can spider flick it. I can spider flick it, thumb flick it, flip or tab, flip it. So it's on bearings. So it comes, that's why it drop. Has a lanyard hole. So let's take a measurement, see how wide it is. Turn my chronometer on. Caliber, I mean. So the handle is, thickness of the handle is over, well, at where the meat of it is 6'4" inches, kind of wide handle. So you know it's going to be a little on the wide side, thick. The blades, let's see, up all the way back here by before it tapers down, 15, 14, but then it, let me come down here. Yeah, it's about 15 point 15 inch, or 15 thousandths, I think that's what I call 100. Yeah, 15 thousandths, I think. 0.15 inch. The thickness, a thick blade, like wide. I think this is wide. It's 1.3. Here's a Spyderco. It's actually, I think, a little thicker than the Spyderco Tenacious. What did I say? It was 3. Well, so 1.23, and this one's 1.235. So it's in the pocket. It's kind of fill up your pocket pretty good, because you're going to have that much more. So you got 1.58. Here's the Spyderco Tenacious in the pocket. Thickness 60, 160, and 155. So it's very competitive. Thickness of the blade thickness is good. Came out of the box. Hair shaving, but I would not hair popping. It cut through newspaper pretty good, not bad at all. So I go through the newspaper until I can't, until it's on camera. Then I don't, but it does. So the blade came pretty sharp. Like I said, hair shaving sharp. Not hair popping, but yeah, you can see it shaving a little bit. So it shaves. A lot of even some Kershaw knives don't even shave. Coming out of the box. Let's get the weight. It's on, I think, on the heavier side. Let's see. Turn this puppy on. I'm guessing over 5 ounces. Oh, 6.40 ounces. Okay. But here's the interesting thing about this knife before I go into size comparisons. I bought it. I bought it. It was on sale for $20, 19 something. But I was actually looking later on after it came in, and I seen that Eafengrow always, not all of them, but a lot of their knives are copies or clones. I can't even call them clones because they don't look identical to. They look very similar but not identical, and they don't put the other company's name on their knives. So, but I was doing some looking, and there's 2 other companies that have knives that look very similar to this, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. And I don't know who was the first one to come out with them. So this is Allied Express. This is the Tigen 1814. It's no longer available, but if you look at the picture, boy, it sure looks kind of similar. Now this one don't have the green, but you can't even. Oh wait, look at the. I hope my picture's not in the way. Let's see, you look at this. Let's see which camera I'm on. Like here's the Tigen. I don't know if you see this. Yes, that'd be this side they're showing, but if that, I mean, their G10 and their grips look a little different. So it's not a copy, but you can see that. And I'm guessing these are made. These are I don't even know how much it cost. So I don't know if this company here copied off of Eafengrow, or they're made in the same factory, but you see their similarities. But check this one out. So I did a little more like into the rabbit hole, and there's a company called American Buffalo Knife and Tool. They have the same knife, but theirs is a exact copy of the Tigen. They have the same grip. It has like almost like a topographic look of like a map. So I don't know who copied who. I mean, or it's all made in the same factory and they just put different grips on. But the American Buffalo and the Tigen 1814, they look identical. The Eafengrow don't look identical. You can see even the clip is a little different on the Eafengrow, and the grip texture is different. So, but you could tell there's different similarities. So out of the three companies, I don't know who was the first one to come out with it. So who can, who knows? These three knives might even be a copy of a more expensive knife that I don't know about. But if you guys know about it, let me know, and I'll comment and let me know, and I will be informed about it. But you can see the grip texture is a lot different on the Eafengrow than the other two. It's different. It's just different. But the pocket clip's different, but the blade shape's the same and everything. So, and this has the EF on it. But yes, I just, if you go on Amazon, you look, they make, the way they take that picture, it's like they make that blade look so short, and it really is. It's a nice big blade, so that's why it drops really easy, because it got a lot of weight. So like I said, here, let's do, it's a big knife, let's do some size comparisons and wrap this up. So let's go with the Tenacious, since I already had it out, because it has like the, oh, there we go, it's bigger than the Tenacious. I'll do a count too. It's considerably bigger than the Tenacious. Let's see, let me do a count of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5, easily 8.5 inches long for the 927. The Tenacious, I believe, is at a little under 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little, it's about 8 inches. So it's smaller. Here, let's go with this Gerber. There you go. How about that? Now there's I think a pretty good comparison. The blades, I think they're roughly both about 4 inches. They both have the leaf shaped blade. Damn, I wish this one has kind of glare because it's silver. But there's a comparison. This one's, of course, axis lock. That's a Gerber Sumo. When I put this on there, that's that's not normally on there. This actually, let's see, they're about the same length actually. Both. It's just this one had this actually, the Sumo's a little longer. This one just has a down swept on the bottom. So, and let's go 2 more knives. And we got the Honey Badger, the large honey bastard, honey bastard, the honey, yeah, right over there. Hey, my wife's laughing at that. Yeah, honey badger. All right, and the what's this? This is the M16. All this Eafengrow 927 makes all these kind of look small. Here we go. How about this buck? That buck, there we go. That buck's a little smaller, but it kind of has that sweep down on the blade or the handle. I'm sure that's called something. If you want to comment on that and tell me what this sweep or down on the blade is, or the handle. And here's the Firebird version of the Rat number 1. I think that's enough nice comparisons. Let's see, I run over the who copied who, I don't know, but this is the one I got. Actually, you can still buy the, I think, like I said, the American Buffalo on Amazon, but I think it's $37. So it actually looked like a nice knife too. It had a little different thing on the American Buffalo. Let me go look at that again. This is American Buffalo. See, it has almost a little. Don't really show. Like I like their the where you can get your hand, finger. That's kind of cool. But this one's $20 more, and I only see one color. But like I said, I don't know. I thought I had more pictures, but it don't. All right, let me go back up here. Where are you at? Where are you at? Let's give me some more pictures here. And that one has D2. Well, I do like this part right here. I hope my picture's not in the way that you can see it. Only 2 left on that. But that's the American ABK. Let me look up real quick. Let me go add Amazon. Look up this. I didn't even look at this. Amazon Prime. See what I haven't looked at. See how much this costs. The EF927. There it is. Oh, it's back up to its regular price, $26. Like I said, here's. See what I'm talking about, how they made the blade look so small. That blade is not that small, but they made that blade. Quite honestly, I think they should go through and take these pictures again, because that one don't look bad right there. That picture there, but this one is a terrible. That's their bread and butter picture. That's what's supposed to sell a knife right here. And to me, that looks like it's too small of a blade. It looks like a 2.5-inch blade with a 5-inch handle. So if I was Eafengrow on Amazon, I'd take that picture down and put another one up. Even that one's alright. This one, they should just change the way the pictures are not good pictures, in my opinion. No, like I said, one of the reasons I bought it was because of $19. But I probably would have bought it for $26 if I seen the better pictures of it. So that's my opinion. So I'm going to go back here and show you one last time. More of a proportion picture. See, that blade is not that small. Alright. Alright. Give me a big thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Lid. I'll see you later. Bye.